Hi everyone, today we're checking out the Innerwell Tamagoyaki Japanese omelet pan, perfect for making delicious tamago rolls and more. This pan features a safe, non-toxic granite non-stick coating free from harmful chemicals like PFOA and PFAS. It heats quickly and evenly, saving you cooking time while the special curved design helps you flip and roll omelets with ease. The pan measures 7 by 6 inches and works on all stove types, including induction and gas. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to its durable 3-layer coating that wipes clean or goes in the dishwasher. Beyond tamagoyaki, you can cook pancakes, bacon, sandwiches, salmon, and even steak in this versatile pan. Plus, Innerwell offers excellent customer service to support your cooking adventures. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.